2, and 1. Hey everybody, it's Rob Wilson with South Tampa Teardowns.com, just with another satisfied seller that we've been mailing for a long time, and just started talking and real excited to be here at her closing today. So Carol, how long have I been kind of sending you stuff in the mail, dropping things on the door and things like that?
Probably over 2 years, but I just didn't know where I would go.
I gotcha.
And then one day my daughter found a house on Realtor.com that we were really excited about. And so I called you, and you came right out that afternoon and offered me a very fair price.
Yeah, because I'd been sending you, one of the things I'd sent you were kind of comparables. You kind of knew about what it was worth, and you were real happy with the number that I brought to you. And
that's right.
And that was so. Where are you guys? Where are you guys headed?
We're heading out to Valrico.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. And we're closing today on the lot in South Tampa. And when's your closing out in Valrico?
Monday.
Yeah, so got it all done and made it all happen for you. So that's that's good to know. How long did you live in the house in South Tampa?
I've been there for 32 years.
Oh, wow. So you're there a long, long time.
Been there on my block, I'm the second longest to have lived on that block.
Wow. So 32 years, second longest on the block. That's a big move. That's a big move.
It is. 32 years of accumulation.
Yeah, but you seem excited about it.
Oh, I am. We're very excited.
Don't have to worry about, you were telling me there were kind of like a litany of issues with the older house, like there was like a water thing that she had mentioned.
One after another, things had been going wrong with the house.
Here you go, Ms. Cooper. Here's a copy of your documentation. If you need to follow up with me, there's my contact info. And like I said, I'm going to email you a fully executed copy so that you have all of those, okay?
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome. And do you want to add this to the envelope I already gave
Yep,
you?
that's perfect.
And then I'll email you. Oh, what you guys doing?
We're doing a testimonial video.
Oh,
so that's Zoe.
it?
That's you
sorry.
did. But you can jump in. You can jump in. I'm all about doing these in one take. This is Zoe. She's one of the title closers that we work with to make sure everything gets done and gets done right. So anyway, hi Zoe.
Hi.
So anyway, so that's what we try to do. If you've got a problem property, you've owned it for 30 or more years, and you find that perfect property, and it's time to make that move, give me a call. I'll get you a fair price for your property in South Tampa and make it all happen for you. I'm Rob Wilson. I'm the Director of Dirt with Exit Bayshore Realty. You can reach me at 813-784-4199, and you can also request your offer online at SouthTampaTeardowns.com. Thanks, Carol.
Thank you. And you have been very easy to work with.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Have a great day.